Welcome to Aidan Clark Learn. Today, we are diving into Microsoft data pipeline questions that are highly relevant for the Microsoft Agentic AI Business Solutions Architect AB-100 exam. These Microsoft data pipeline questions are designed to help you sharpen your understanding of data pipelines, integration, and architecture. Remember, while these are just a sample, practicing these types of Microsoft data pipeline questions will give you a strong edge for your exam day success. Question number 1. Which of the following is the most suitable service for orchestrating a data pipeline that integrates multiple data sources in Microsoft Azure? A. Azure Functions. B. Azure Data Factory. C. Azure Logic Apps. D. Azure Event Hubs. Answer: B. Azure Data Factory. Explanation: Azure Data Factory is a fully managed ETL, extract, transform, load service in Azure. It allows seamless integration of multiple data sources, orchestrates complex workflows, and supports scheduling and monitoring of data pipelines. For AB-100, knowing its role in data movement and transformation is essential. Question number 2. In a data pipeline, which storage option is ideal for storing large amounts of unstructured raw data for future processing? A. Azure SQL Database. B. Azure Data Lake Storage. C. Azure Blob Storage with premium tier only. D. Cosmos DB. Answer: B. Azure Data Lake Storage. Explanation: Azure Data Lake Storage is optimized for storing massive volumes of unstructured and structured data. It supports high-performance analytics and integrates natively with Azure Data Factory and Synapse Analytics. Understanding this storage layer is critical for AB-100 pipeline design scenarios. Question number 3. Which activity in Azure Data Factory allows you to transform data by executing code or scripts? A. Copy activity. B. Data flow activity. C. Lookup activity. D. Web activity. Answer: B. Data flow activity. Explanation: Data flow activity in Azure Data Factory provides a code-free way to transform data at scale. It supports mapping, aggregation, and schema modifications without manual scripting. AB-100 exam candidates must know how transformation activities fit into end-to-end pipelines. Question number 4. Which approach ensures data reliability in a pipeline by preventing data duplication when the pipeline fails and restarts? A. Incremental load with watermarking. B. Full load each time. C. Event-triggered load only. D. Manual data refresh. Answer: A. Incremental load with watermarking. Explanation: Incremental load with watermarking tracks only new or changed data, ensuring the pipeline does not reprocess previously handled records. This prevents duplication and improves efficiency. For AB-100, designing reliable pipelines is a key focus area. Question number 5. Which Azure service can you use to monitor and visualize the performance of your data pipelines effectively? A. Azure Monitor plus Log Analytics. B. Power BI only. C. Azure Functions. D. Azure DevOps Boards. Answer: A. Azure Monitor plus Log Analytics. Explanation: Azure Monitor and Log Analytics provide metrics, alerts, and dashboards to track the performance of pipelines. They help detect failures, latency issues, and data anomalies. Monitoring is essential knowledge for AB-100 exam preparation and real-world pipeline management. These 5 data pipeline questions are a small glimpse into the type of content you'll encounter in the Microsoft AB-100 exam. Consistent practice of such scenario-based questions will boost your confidence and exam readiness. At Pass for Future, we provide full-length AB-100 practice tests to give you a complete, hands-on preparation experience and ensure you're exam ready from day one. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to access full-length AB-100 practice questions and take your exam preparation to the next level. Subscribe now and turn your Microsoft Agentic AI Business Solutions Architect dream into reality.